In the beginning, before the noise, before the kingdoms, before the choice, you started simple, you started true. A man, a woman, made by you. From dust and breath, from bone and heart, different pieces, one true start. Not the same, but side by side, a living picture you designed. But the order cracked when the silence stayed, when truth was traded, when roles gave way. It wasn't the fruit, it was something deeper, the breaking of trust, the fall of the keeper. So we're restoring the design, coming back to the ancient lines, where love is covenant, not convenience, where truth still stands, not bent by time. We're restoring the design. Let the light back in the home, let the father lead, let the mother build, let the children see who you are, let the blueprint speak again. We didn't lose it all at once, just traded truth for shades of what if. Call confusion freedom's name, redefined loss, called it gain. Now men are drifting, hearts unsure, women carrying what breaks them down, children asking who they are, with no true north, no solid ground. The lie says choose who you wanna be, but truth says live how you were made. And the weight we feel in every home is the cost of walking far away. So we're restoring the design, coming back to the ancient lines, where love is covenant, not convenience, where truth still stands, not bent by time. We're restoring the design. Let the light back in the home, let the father lead, let the mother build, let the children see who you are, let the blueprint speak again. Marriage wasn't meant to break at the first cold night, the first hard day. It was forged to show the world how you love us, how you stay. And in the sacred hidden place, where trust is bare and hearts are known, you called it holy, you called it good, not shame, not silence, not alone. And from that love come living souls, not accidents, not chance or fate. Arrows aim beyond the now, toward forever through the gate. This isn't politics, it's war, not flesh and blood, but something more. A fight for hearts, a fight for homes, a fight for what you've always owned. So wake us up, oh sleeping sons, teach us how to stand and stay, not loud with pride, but strong in love, not walking out, not walking away. We're restoring the design, not by power, not by might, but by turning back to truth again and living what you said was right. We're restoring the design. Let the cross be at the center, let the word